How to change your location on Wattpad app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your location on Wattpad. First thing, go to Wattpad app and now go to the top corner right here and click on your profile picture, and now go to the top corner and click on the settings here, and then go to the first option, which is account settings. Click on it like this and go down until you find location. Click on location and add your location from here. For example, USA, and click OK. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.